Hello, welcome to Everything Else Australia. A year ago I built this garden shed or tea house or garden house, and I added a small veranda. So I also have to put more paving stones along this path. I just add them maybe 2 or 3 rows. And I also like to install a gutter at the back of the shed. But unfortunately I don't have a gutter, so my solution is I simply take a downpipe, like a rainwater pipe, and cut it in a straight length, a length straight cut, and when we have done this, we just slip it over the tin. And this here is an old barrel. I got this for nothing. And I put a tap on it, and I will collect the rainwater. Yeah, and I built a stand for it, so gravity will do its job. And now let's have a look how the whole thing looks. There's the gutter. That's just for that the water can't come out this way. So that is the gutter, pipeline gutter. So now I just put another bow on there. I put a bit of mesh in there, you can see that. Anyway, that keeps the dirt out. Now I just connect the bow on there. Lined up with the hole perfectly, as you can see. Should have made it a bit longer, but that's alright. Okay, that's the gutter. And now we can test it, if it's collecting water or not. Okay, let's try it out. Well, my wife is a rainmaker, so yeah, let's rain. See if it's collecting water. Yeah. I'll just keep in the middle or I get wet. I'm waiting for the water. It's coming. The gutter is working perfectly. Okay, that's an easy gutter. If you have the same problem, because your tin maybe is too long or whatever, you don't have a gutter, but that works fine. Okay, turn the rain off. Excellent. Not one drop going out, see? That's how we do that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope it helps if you have the problem. Alright, catch you later.